Hello everyone, Sin here. This video is how I voice act Sin for Murder Jones. I'll walk you through the process and give you some tips. For the boys, unfortunately, I might not be able to help as much. You may need a voice changer to achieve the right tone, but I recommend avoiding AI voices. Remember, many of these are based on real people who probably didn't give consent of their voices to be used that way. Now, let's get started.
How to do Sin's voice? Placement. Put your voice at the back of your throat to create a soft, airy tone. Pitch variation. Change the pitch of your voice with each word. Go up and down, high to low. This creates a robotic and slightly erratic vibe. Comfort. Adjust your voice to a level that feels comfortable while keeping that robotic touch. Voice delivery tips. Neutral, or known as calm lines. Use a medium to slight lower pitch, keeping it steady and neutral. Example:
Big Brother and where is Uzi?
Excited or playful lines. Go for a medium high pitch with more energy and speed. Let the playfulness shine through. Example:
Big Brother and where is Uzi?
Experiment with this method and tweak it to fit your style. Practice makes perfect. Hope this helps you bring Sin to life.
Sin out.